When you're looking for new ideas and inputs, brainstorming is the solution. But brainstorming can become a real challenge if your colleagues are spread around the globe. Getting them all together in one place is time-consuming and extremely costly. That's where neXboard comes in. neXboard wipes out the physical limitations of creative collaboration. neXboard works fully web-based and requires no installation, so you can easily use it on any device. Other neXboard members can easily join your session from anywhere in the world. The intelligent video switching system lets you automatically see the relevant person speaking, managing even the liveliest discussions. Share your ideas on virtual sticky notes and attach picture files to the whiteboard. Work interactively together with your team. Extend your neXboard session just by sending an invitation, even to people who don't have a neXboard account of their own. Get immediate feedback on your ongoing work, or get a later check on the final results. During the session, the neXboard timer helps you stay within the time frame, while the structure templates enable you to organize even complex sessions easily. And no need to worry about data loss. neXboard constantly saves all your work in the background. Speed up your collaboration with neXboard.